Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment. This is also known as the gold foil experiment. Why? Because Rutherfords take a thin sheet of a gold foil. Then this experiment is also known as the gold foil experiment. This is known as the lead container in this setup. Firstly, lead container take, and lead container is the source of alpha particle radiation, and radiations mean the radioactive element present in this container. Okay, and second is known as the slit. Slit is ensured that the alpha ray only come on the straight path or a straight line, and gold foil takes because the gold foil bombardment of alpha particle on the gold foil. Okay, and lastly take zinc sulfide screen. Zinc sulfide screen means it is the detector of the alpha particles or a radiation. Okay, after the bombardment we can see most of the alpha particle passes through the gold foil, and some of the alpha particles deflected with the small angle deviation, and 1 out of 20,000 alpha particles come back with the same path and with a 180 degree. Okay, then after this experiment we have some observation. First observation is known as most of alpha particles means the He2 plus ion. Okay, He2 plus ion, alpha particle also known as the positively charged. First remembered, most of alpha particles passes through the gold foil. Okay, then second observation is some of the alpha particle deflected with a small angle. Because the alpha particles having positively charged, and the positively charged we can know about the same charges are repelled to each other, then the alpha particles deflected with the small angle. Okay, and lastly very few alpha particles come back with 180 degree angle. Okay, after this observation we have some conclusion. What do you mean by the conclusion? First conclusion is the many of alpha particle passes through the gold foil. That means where a large empty space in the atom. Okay, because the most of the alpha particles deflected, then the large empty space in the atom. Okay, and the second observation, some of the alpha particle deflected with a small angle. Then the conclusion is positively charged particles present in atom, okay, because positive are repelled to each other. And last, very few alpha particles come back because this part of the zinc sulfide is dark. Then this is indicate that the center of the atom have a positively charged or the dense particle. Dense charged particle have densely charged particles. This is the observation of this experiment, and this is the conclusion of this experiment. Okay, thank you.